One to file we have created, something we have discussed, basic HTML, how to write, how to create a file. This page we have created the last example. This is one page, right? There we have discussed, okay, using H1 to H6, we can create the heading of the website. Using H1 to H6, we can create the heading of the website. After that, headline of the web page. H1 to H6 we have, using that we can create the headline. Using division, we can divide the page into multiple blocks. And after that, using the paragraph, we can display the text, bulk text, more than 130 character. Okay, this thing we have 3-4 point. H1 to H6 used to create the headline of the web page. Every page H1 is required minimum and maximum one time. Then it says paragraph where to use. The paragraph you should use in those cases if you have it to, if you want to display the text data and your text is more than 130 character limitation, then you can use p tag, because paragraph tag take lot of memory space in your browser. If you are using paragraph tag for a small text, it will be little waste of your memory space. Next, after that, we have seen some tags we have written bold, italic, underline. So this tags, what is going to do is called a formatting tag, text formatting tag. While creating a documentation of anything, while writing the content, if you want to make something bold, you can use it. If you want to make something italic, you can use it. Underline, you can use it. Okay, so there we can follow this and it's a helpful. Now next we need to discuss like the next level of tags. Next level of tag, what are those? That is called type of list in HTML. The next tag we have type of list in HTML. Type of list. If you remember the MS Office, MS Word, in MS Word we have a feature called bullets and numbering. In MS Word we have a feature called bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering. What is that bullets and numbering? Using the bullets and numbering, we can format the contents according to our requirement. Using the bullets and numbering, we can format the content according to our requirement. Okay. Now here our question is, what is the type of list? What is the type of list and how that looks? So before going here to the type of list, I will come to the MS Word and just guide you. And then we'll come to the documentation. We'll make some note. And after that, we'll go ahead with the next content. Okay. So suppose I am in the MS Word. Okay. In MS Word, suppose you are not creating a website, you are creating a documentation for something. Okay. So you wrote here about something about laptop. Suppose you wrote about a laptop. This becomes a headline of your content. Let me maximize it. So I will make a big font size, maybe 26, 27, something. I can centralize also this one. So we have option here called center, right? So this is the feature of your MS Word. Now coming down, about the laptop, we have to write something. So when we have written this about laptop, the headline, this can come from the H1 to H6 as a headline. Below you are going to write the description about this laptop. What is that? Where it's come from? Who can use? How to use? Everything. So in that case now we have another tag that is called p tag. Using the p tag, we can write the description about a particular topic, about a particular product, about a particular person, or about particular something. Okay, so this becomes a what? This becomes a small description. So this heading will come from where? Heading will come from H1 to H6. Now this content will come from where? Since it's more than 130 characters, it will come from paragraph. Now after that, about the laptop, you want to highlight some point. About the laptop, you want to highlight some point. Okay. So when you want to highlight some point, you have feature in the MS Word that is called bullets and numbering. You will select that, and after selecting, you can highlight the points. Now suppose these 4 points I have about the laptop. So I will go here and I will select this option. I will go to the first option. Here is called the bullets. It's called the bullets. That you have already idea. You have done in your documentation. You have done many times. You are doing in day-to-day life. Suppose I selected like this. So this becomes a what? This becomes a bullets. Okay. This becomes a bullets. Now another option what we have. Another option maybe inside the point number 2. Or let me copy the same thing below. Write here some more thing again. More thing again. More 4 point. Now after selecting this, I will go here and I will select another feature that is called numbering. You can see how many options we have. 1, 2, 3. This is another 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, small, capital, Roman 1, 2, 3, small, capital A, B, C, D. All options we have. So in the term of MS Word, it is called a bullets and numbering. In the term of MS Word, it's called a bullets and numbering. So suppose I went here and at this place, I given here. So this becomes a bullets and this becomes a numbering. Now same thing, similar, like same way, if you want to create a document in the HTML format, if you want to create a HTML file that also look like this, then what to do? So H1 to H6 you can use to create the heading. This much you can use to create the paragraph. But for the below what to do? So in HTML we have a feature called type of list. In HTML we have a feature called type of list. It is 3 types. One is called order list, another one is called unordered list, and third one is called a definition list. OL for order list, UL for unordered list, DL for definition list. How many type? 3 type. Order list, unordered list, and then definition list. Order list, unordered list, and then definition list. 3 type of list we have. So this order list, what you have written, this bullets you have written, this is bullets. Let me go here. So here it's called a bullets, but in the term of HTML, it will be called a UL, unordered list. Here it is called a numbering. Numbering in the term of HTML, it's called a OL, order list. Right, so hope it is clear. In the term of MS Word, what is called bullets. In the term of HTML, what is called UL, unordered list. This is in the term of HTML. It's in the term of, you can say MS Word, it's called a numbering. But in the term of HTML, it's called a OL, order list and unordered list. And the third one is called DL. We are going to make a note and we are going to implement it. So hope this is what we are going to. Similar way, we are going to implement in HTML. Come to your doc file. If you have not created documentation file, please create it, write in that. If you are following the notepad, notebook, no problem, write there also, anywhere, but you should write it, okay? Writing is the best practice. Why? Because while writing, when you write some notes, when you create the notes, at the same time, your eyes, your ear, your mind, finger, everything will be concentrating on a particular point so that there is a more chances to get the more input in your mind. If I just listen, then what will happen? Maybe eye is looking somewhere else and brain is somewhere else. Maybe more input happen or not sure. Writing will be best practice. And along with that, after 1 hour, 2 hours, if you want to have a look into the content, how to understand. So for that, just you can open the notebook. Once you read, entire class you will remember. It's normal what we are following in colleges. We should make a note. Okay, everything virtual will not help you. So let me write here type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. So we have one point that is called UL, and full name of UL is unorder list. Second we have called OL, order list. And the third one we have that is called DL, definition list. Definition list. Till now, whichever the website you have opened in your entire career, you have used already UL and OL, but you may be aware of or you are not aware of, this is called UL and OL. Okay, but every pages there will be OL and UL. Every page I am saying. Okay, now let's make a note. Then we'll come to the example and we'll implement it. Right. Next, we are going to create a file. We'll create a file. The example is available under the unorder list. Unorder list.html. Or better shortcut name you can give ul.html is also fine. UL. You can write directly ul.html. No problem. Create a new file. Give the file name ul.html. ul. ul.html. So hope ul.html file is ready. Oh, un I have written. Should be ul. ul.html. Let's go here. Create the new file. Save the file as a ul.html in the same folder, HTML folder where you created the earlier files. Or in case the folder is not there, you can create a new folder HTML and there only you save the file. Start from HTML. Now follow the body tag. Write one heading tag. HTML UL unorder list example. HTML unorder list example. Okay, now come down, open the UL, close the UL. UL open, UL close. Right? Inside the UL, write as the LI. LI is called as a list item. List item. Just I wrote a full form also here. List item. LI is called as a list item. List item. Okay. Next, after that, in the same LI, you will add one more LI. Give some city name or any item name. Example, apple. Add one more LI. Mango. Next, add one more LI. Banana. Add one more LI. Right. After that, you can see UL is open and close. It's called as a dependent element, dependent tab. LI is also open close. It is also called as a dependent element, dependent tab. Once you run once you run the page under the browser, you will come to know all the LI will print in the new line. That's called a block level element. First run this, save this. Let's run the page. Save the file. Run the page. Let me know your page is running or not and how many people are able to run the page. You should save the file and go to the view menu. Under the view menu, you have option called view current file in Mozilla, Chrome, iEdge, Explorer, anything, whichever the option you have. From here, you can go to the view current file in, save it and select the particular browser. It will work. After running, if the page is running, you can reply in the chat, yes, working or not working. You should save the file also. After saving, you should run the file. Okay, so 3 people, reply is working. Waiting for the response also. Okay, cool. So many people says working. That meaning all are on the track. Run this file. Go here. It will show you here. You can see dot 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 is coming. This is called type equal to disk. Okay, UL tag will give by default as a dot dot dot. That is called type equal to disk. DISC. We can go here and under the UL you have not mentioned any type, you have not mentioned any property. It's giving as a dot dot dot. default one. Now I will add a property here, type equal to disk, type equal to disk. Okay, type equal to disk. What will happen is it will also come as a dot dot dot. Type equal to disk. This will come as a dot dot dot. Type equal to disk. It will come as a dot dot dot. Okay. By default, type is disk only. If you will not write any type, by default will come as a disk. That is called type of. That is called type of UL. Type of UL is what? Disk. Now let's come. And you should not forget that rule also. You saw here, all are printing in the new line. All the LIs are printing the new line. So in your mind, already I have given one theory. What is the theory? If the tag print in the new line, it is called a block level tag. If the tag print the output in the new line, it is called a block level tag. So you can see it is printing where in the new line all. So all the LI is called a block level tag. Okay, let's come. Write one HR tag. HR. It's called a horizontal rule. It will create a line from beginning to last. HR is called a horizontal rule. It will create a line from beginning to last. HR. Inside that, color is the property. There we are giving as a green. Color is the property. Green is the value. Size is the property. 10 is the value. It's called independent tag. It has not separate closing. Open and close together. So HR color equal to green. HR color equal to green. So what will happen is the color will come in green, and like it is going to create a line from beginning to last, from left side of the screen to right side of the screen. It is going to create a line, and that line will come in which color? Green color. That line will come in green color. Okay. That line will come in green color. Thickness of the line will be 10 pixel. Thickness of the line will be 10 pixel. Okay, let's look into the browser now. See, one line came from beginning to last. Color of the line is green and the thickness of the line is 10 px. Okay, thickness of the line is 10 px. Now go next. Write another UL. UL has multiple types, 4 or 5 types we have. We can write here type equal to Esquire. Type equal to Esquire. In that, add some LI, some technology name like HTML. Next LI, for example, CSS. Next LI. Okay, and let me teach you a small shortcut. Suppose many times you have to copy and paste. Okay, as a developer, you have to do copy paste also. That is the fact. You have to do many times copy paste from internet. Like suppose you are writing a code. Inside the page, you have to copy one line and paste again. Copy the same line, paste again 3-4 times. Right? Copy paste option. So what to do that for that? We need to select, we need to copy, we need to paste. It's a big process. If you are using the Notepad++, you have very good shortcut. That shortcut will increase your speed. For example, I have one LI here, one more LI I have here, 2 LI I have. Now like this, we want to add some 6-7 LI. So for that, what formula you know? You will select the LI, you will copy the LI, press the enter key, again press the enter key and control V, paste the LI, what you have copied. It's become 3-4 steps. Select one step, copy second step, enter key third step, Control V, the fourth step, then your data will come. Notepad plus plus is like, I have a shortcut. I can make your line as a duplicate line. The same line you can copy and paste again using the which one? Shortcut key. Suppose, for example, the li I have written called CSS. I want to copy this li and paste many times. So number one, first keep your cursor at the end of the line. So you can see my cursor is blinking at the end of the line, right? Hope you kept your li. My cursor is blinking at the end of the li. Now inside the computer keyboard, you have a CTRL. In computer keyboard, you have a CTRL and you have a character called D for daily. Okay, CTRL and D. You are going to press the Control plus D. If you press the Control plus D, this line will become a duplicate. Now my cursor is there. I will press Control and D. Control plus D. You can see duplicate happen. Again Control plus D. Duplicate happen. Again Control plus D. Again Control plus D. How many times? I press Control plus D 3-4 times. Let me show you again. My cursor is here. We want to copy and paste this li. I will press Control and D, Control and D, Control and D, Control and D, right? Now after that, you can change the content. That is also possible. That also you can do. Let's do that. Bootstrap JavaScript, right? React, Node. Okay, so these all are the save the file, run again. You will find the li will come, but this li will produce you the square symbol. The second li, what we have written, type equal to a square, it will produce you, it will generate the square symbol. The square symbol, check once. Hope you are able to run the page. Let me save the file and run it. What is coming? See, square symbol appear everywhere. That is called type equal to square. Let us add one more line below, one more HR. HR. Color equal to red and size equal to 50. The HR I am adding not for any functionality, it is just for a decoration. HR I am adding not for any functionality, just for the decoration, page will look better. Now after this, come down, we have one more type. Okay, disk, you have written a square, you have one more called circle. Open the UL, close the UL. Right inside type equal to circle. Type equal to circle. Li, put some city name. Example, Bangalore. Next, Li, Bangalore. Next, Li, Pune. next li, Chennai, next li, something, Delhi, right? So after that, if you run this file, it will give you dot 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 kind of a circle symbol will appear. That is called type equal to circle. Plot, check now. Circle will come like circle symbol, you can see. We have one more type that is called none. None, N-O-N-E. HR color equal to black color. Size equal to 1.5. Okay. HR color equal to black. Size equal to color equal to black. Size equal to 1.5. Now come inside. Follow the UL again. Right here type equal to none. Type equal to none. N-O-N-E, none. So under the UL, we have a type called none also. It will not give you any disk square circle. Just your text will appear directly. Whatever the text you write, it will appear with nothing as a initial value. It will not display anything in the initial, in a starting. It will start from your original text. Okay. Next, inside that, write the li home. Next, li about us. I hope you are using the shortcut also. Next, li contact us. Next, li our services. Our services. And next li is called our clients. Now, if you run this UL, it will give you only text. It will not give you any kind of starting icons. Okay, hope written running or not. Write it. Check once is look like this. No any kind of icons, the plain text. So we found total 4 type of UL on outer list. One is called disk, square, circle, and none. Disk, square, circle, and none. Four type of UL we found. UL we have one only, but it has type, different type, like a 4 type. If completed, we can go for the next file. That is called OL.html.
Sir,
Hello.
yes, sir. Sir, my output is coming as a circle.
What is coming as a circle? For which one?
For a none.
N-O-N-E, none. A spelling you can check once.
I think is correct, sir.
Which browser you are using?
Node plus.
Browser I'm talking.
Browser. Chrome.
Send this line in the chat. This line copy and paste in the chat. Or complete UL to UL.
Okay, sir.
UL type equal to none. Is UL or something else you have written?
UL, sir.
I will copy and paste here. UL. This is your code. Let me run it. Nothing is coming here. Maybe previous LI you have not closed. Check another UL. Is all the ULs are closed properly?
Yes, sir.
But
It is closed. I will check, sir.
there will be problem. Maybe previous UL you have messed out.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have some problem.
Check in another browser.
Mozilla Firefox.
Check in other browser.
Yes, sir.
Come in. Anyone else has similar problem? Somewhere definitely any UL you people have missed out. UL closing part. Because of that it's getting, you can say, your document become unstructured, and in that particular UL is not closed somewhere, and because of that it's reflecting till end. Can check open close part properly, should work.
No, sir, still problem.
No, for other is not happening. For me also no problem. There is a problem in your code definitely. Some either you have not closed somewhere or you send your entire this code in chat. Everything, all. Copy and paste in chat. I will write it. Copy pasting. You are pasting the code entire. You can paste half. First two you paste once and second two you will paste once. All may not come in chat. You can paste half, then it will come. Are sending the code anyone? Who have the error? Then I will go next. Come to the UL file. Under the UL file, the documentation guide, you write here type. What are the type we have? So we have type equal to disk. Next we have type equal to square. Next we have type equal to circle. Next we have type equal to none. Square is a bit small. These all are called type of UL. These are our type of UL. Next we have the type of OL. How many type of OL we have? We can write here, then we'll create example. Type of OL we have called number one. It will give you 1, 2, 3. Number one, 2, 3. Second type is capital A. It will give you capital ABCD. Third type is small a. Small ABCD. The next is called capital I. It will give you Roman 1, 2, 3, uppercase. A small I. Roman 1, 2, 3 only, but lowercase. These all are the type under the OL. These all are the type under the OL, under the unordered list. Okay, write a note, then we'll go ahead and we'll create example of OL, ordered list. So create the next file that is called OL. OL.html. OL.html. You can go here, make a file OL.html, another one. HTML will start, will follow the body again, right inside OL, H1 should be there, OL call again, order list, example, order list example, order list example. Now come down, follow the OL open and close. Inside the OL, you can add some item name, example, desktop. Next li you can add printer. Next li you can add scanner. Next li you can add desktop printer scanner. Next li you can add mouse. Next li you can add it will give you 1 to 3 by default. By default 1 to 3 is going to come. I will add HR also here. Color as a green color, and again size equal to 10. Check once how that look. Hope ready. Check now. 1 to 3 will come default type under the OL. 1 to 3. Hope looking similar. The spelling you can check once. In HTML there is not much error. It will have the problem of your spelling, or maybe there will be problem of, you can say, open close related. Not much problem. Open close and spelling. Sometime if it is uppercase lowercase, it will manage. Lowercase will also work, uppercase will also work, but a spelling mismatch will happen, it will not work. Right, come down below, follow the next OL. Next OL you have type equal to capital A. Type equal to capital A. Type equal to capital A. Right, we can add here some again technology name. Java, Python, Node.js, Express, PHP, .NET, right? So this is called as a type ABCD will come. Check once. Home working, check like this. Now same thing, you can come down, write HR, color equal to orange color, size equal to 1.5. Right, next come down. We have some more OL. Right there, type equal to small a. A only but small. Same 3 4 li you can copy paste. See how that look. Same 3 li you have copy paste here. See how that look. Small a. It will give you Roman 1 to 3 but lowercase. Roman 1 to 3 but lowercase. ABCD. Roman ABCD but lowercase. Let's go ahead. Check once how that look. It's here. ABCD is coming. We can add in the same way. Try one more call. This is ABCD capital. This is ABCD small. Now we need to add for Roman. This one was not the Roman one. Roman we need to add now. And keep the OL type equal to capital I. It will give you capital Roman 1 to 3. Capital Roman 1 to 3 will come. Add this 3 for L I same. Please confirm also running or not running. What's going on? Look like this. Next, we have one more we can write here. One more HR we can add. Color equal to green color. Size equal to at 1015. You have one more call. OL. Their type we have called type equal to a small I. A small I. It will give you a small 1 to 3. Keep inside some company name. LI. So next LI. Next LI. CS. Next LI. Infosys. Next LI. So this LI you add and then check. This will give the capital 1 to 3. The Roman. This will give a small Roman 1 to 3. This will give a small ABCD. This will give capital ABCD, and this will give 1 to 3 by default. If it's running, please let me know also. Then we can move for the next. All are in silent mode. Working or not working?
Working, sir.
Yeah. Because if reply will come, yes, working, it will be helpful for me to move next.
Yes, working.
So come again to the developer guide, and UL related we found some UL OL related we found some. Now come for the DT DL related, how many we have and what all we have. Okay, DL related, what all we have and what all we have. We can write DL related. One is called DT. It's called as a DT, definition title. Definition title. 8 minutes. Someone called many times. Hello. Yes. हाँ है. आप कहाँ हो अभी? बैठिए वहीं पे, सोफा पे बैठिए. अंदर हम लोग हैं, थोड़ा देर में बाहर आएंगे, थोड़ा देर में काउंसलर आएगा. Okay. Definition title. What is the use of that? It used to create heading for web page. Not heading for web page. Heading slash title of contents. Heading or title of contents. Suppose for example, you have some type of content you are going to display inside the web page. You want to keep a heading for that. So for that you can use this one, but it's a different kind of heading. Okay, it is not same heading what you have seen in H1 and H2. Okay, it is something different. What is that? If you remember the Facebook, in Facebook we see one person will post a question. In Facebook we see one person will post a question, not question, one person will post something, like you posted a photo. Now many people will comment on that. Okay, so similar way you can see on the internet also many time. Not many time, once you become developer, you are also going to do, you will face the problem, you will post a question. Once you post a question, many people will reply you. Okay, that will be as an answer. So for that, we have a very good tag that is called DT and DD. Okay, DT and DD. So DT we wrote for what purpose? To create the title. Like suppose I am posting a question, where is Bangalore? Is a question on internet. So where is Bangalore become as a DT. It will come as a title. It will come as a headline. Okay. Now on that question, many people will reply. Bangalore is in Karnataka. Bangalore is in somewhere. Bangalore is in somewhere. So those all will reply will come as a DD. DD. Okay. So this is called as a definition details. Definition details or detailed description. Both is fine. This is for what purpose? It used to display. It used to display details of content. Details about contents or about a topic. Okay, but it's not paragraph, it is not H1 to H2, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. It is different. Their look will come something else. The look will come something else. It will not be like H1, H2 or H3. The look will be something else. Okay, so hope we have written. Implementation of DL, we will see it tomorrow. Today you have to do something. What is that? I will give the URL. In that URL, because InfoCampus, that counseling team, they will capture you today. They will ask you for registration and all. So even we require your feedback as well. What you feel in these 3-4 days? What is your experience? Are you comfortable or not comfortable? Any modification you want? You want any improvement? Everything. Means overall your feedback is required. Based on the feedback, if anything modification is required, I will modify in that while teaching. Okay, or explanation wise, if you want to modify anything, all suggestion is required. For that, I will give you a URL. In that URL, you need to fill your feedback details. You need to give your email ID, give your phone number, WhatsApp number. On the WhatsApp number, today counselor HR will create a group. They will add in the group, and after that, the email ID will have. We will use the email ID for that purpose. Email number will be for the communication purpose. So let me give you the URL. That URL you need to fill that infocampus.co.in/demo. Okay, so this is the URL infocampus.co.in/demo. I sent the link in your chat. Please open the link infocampus.co.in/demo. Open the link. In that, you need to enter your full name. Mobile number should be WhatsApp number. Okay, mobile number should be your WhatsApp number. Email ID should be your valid email ID. Yes, no, you want to continue from tomorrow or not. Your feedback, yes, this thing was good, this thing was bad, little improvement is required. Speed, increase the speed, decrease the speed, or everything is fine. Your feedback is important. WhatsApp number should come under the mobile field. And if you have alternate number, like suppose WhatsApp number is different, calling number is different. Okay, so the calling number you can write in the feedback, like something like this. Calling number, something like this, your number. Okay, calling number you can write here. Feedback you can write something, whatever you want. WhatsApp number, suppose WhatsApp number is something else, you can add here. So it will be easy for them to take your WhatsApp number from application and create a group in the WhatsApp easily. It will be helpful. Okay, so these 2 things you are going to do today. Complete that before 10:30, 11 o'clock. Once they will come, they will follow up you. and they will give me the list of people who are going to continue from tomorrow. Okay, and then those people only. Zoom link, what you are accessing, Zoom link remains same. It is not going to change ever. Zoom link is always same. On the same Zoom link, we are going to log in daily. But they will ask me particular people is going to continue. They only should log in. Okay, so limitation will get applied from their side. So you can contact to them in case if you want to talk to them also. Here is the number. Maybe after some time they'll come 10:30 nearly. So 888-41-666-08. On this number you can communicate, and you can one more number is there. I'll give you 97-405-57058. I guess 58. Let me verify once. This is the number of some other. Right, 97-405-5705897-405. This should be 405. 405-57058. Okay, so this is info campus number. If you have any query further, you can call them, and call will come by this number. You need to receive and discuss. Okay, then we'll see tomorrow this one. DTT table will enter, how to link the pages, that we'll see. Next 2-3 days we can increase 15 minutes more, so we can go for the somewhere till 9:45. Will be helpful, 1.5 hours. After some time again we'll increase 15 minutes. So till entire HTML CSS will be 1.5 hours. Once we enter under the Bootstrap converts, then it will convert into 2 hours, 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay.
Sir, I have already registered, so I need to.
No need to, if you have registered, then no need to communicate. You can fill that form if you are okay, because
Okay.
that the form filling, it's kind of you